Hello guys, in this video I will tell you about Adobe Illustrator freeform gradient tool. First of all, open Illustrator. Now select any shape. I am selecting polygon tool and I will draw it here like this. I will make its corner round like this, just a little bit. It's fine. Now select any gradient color, so you will get a gradient tool options. You will get 3 gradient options: radial, linear, and the third one you will get freeform gradient options. You will get different points here. You can move any point and you can add any point wherever you want. I am adding custom points at different corners. Now I will change the color of every point. You can select whatever color you want like this. You can move any point wherever you want. You can add maximum number of points like this. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you.
One and only Mr. Dude.
Yeah. Pull up on you like agency. Teta asrat manfi. Tujh mein dar hai, I can sense it.